Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We will be acting to one of my good old cousin named Sean. Good old cousin named Elaine. Oh, I believe. Well, we will be reacting to one of her videos from her channel. It's called either Think Before You Speak or Wake Up with a Smile, I believe. Well, I'm just gonna do Wake Up with a Smile. So in this video, if you guys do not know who Sean is, he is my cousin, and he is a really good person who does YouTube. And if you guys do not know who Elaine is, who Elaine O is, who he calls Meme, she is a cousin of his. A good old cousin of his. At the when I went to his house for a Thanksgiving party, she literally showed up. And then, as soon as she showed up, Sean is acting all types of weird. So, let's get into the video, and I'll see you at the video. I'm messing. And I'll see you when we get... Well, let's just get into it. So, you guys, we are watching the video. Let's get in.
To my channel, and today we'll be talking about thinking before you speak. This is something that can benefit you through your childhood, to your teenagehood, to your adulthood. Everything from child to adult, it will help you. And if tween is still a thing, a tween. So here are some tips about thinking before you speak. Tip number 1. Your words are powerful. Your words are powerful. Number 2. Your words show who you are. Number 3. Words can help and words can hurt. And number 4. The words that come out of your mouth can't be taken back.
4 kids, 4.
So you must think. Here's something that can help you. Tell the truth. The truth is the truth. There's no little white lie. It's the truth. Letter H in truth is help. Does it help someone be a better person? Is it inspiring? Does it help someone grow in their spiritual self and in their reality? Does it help? Well, is it inspiring? Sorry. And is it necessary? Is it necessary? Is it helping someone do something, or is it just saying something that isn't true?
Does she know what she's saying at all?
Necessary, don't say it. If it's not necessary, don't say it. Even the Bible says, a fool is considered wise when he doesn't speak, or if he keeps quiet. And think, kind. Are you being kind to someone in your words? And are you helping someone be happy? Or are you making someone sad or angry? Think about that and think before you speak. So, bye for now, and I hope you like my videos. Also, here's my shout out for today. Shout out.
What is she doing?
Shout out. Shout out. Peachy Queen! Thank you for watching today's video. And, bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Well, you guys, I absolutely kind of hated it, but liked it a little bit. Guys, if you don't know her, you should go check out her channel. She has more subscribers than me. But also, she is Sean's cousin. So go check out Sean's channel too. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will see you in the next video. Yeah, yeet. Wait. Also, so you guys do not know, I also have another brother named Jaden and Jesse. What did I say? Jesse? No, not Jesse. Sean. You guys should go check out Sean's channel. Check out my channel. Like, subscribe to his videos and channel. What am I saying? And bye. Peace out.